Hi, I'm Annika, and this is episode 12 of Rewrite Your Story. Now, if you've been following this channel or watching this video today, then there is some part of the story that you're living that you want to change. Maybe it's some aspect of your personal life, some aspect of your professional life, or maybe some aspect of your professional life that affects your personal life, or maybe it's just both. Maybe it's the relationships that you have in your world. Maybe it's the relationship that you have with yourself. Whatever it is that you're looking to rewrite in your story, you're seeking something bigger, better, or maybe brighter for tomorrow, right? You're looking for a different version of yourself that is maybe more happier, more content, more satisfied by making some changes in the story that you're living today. The story that we are all living in the present moment, the version, the identities that we carry, these are projected from the various milestones that we may have covered in our life so far. These milestones are some events, some challenges, some hardships, some ups and downs that shape what we believe and thereby how we think. What we believe becomes our belief systems. These define what's okay, what's not okay for us, what we can, what we can't do. And based on these belief systems, we create some perceptions in our mind. Perceptions are how we interpret things for ourselves. What do we like? What we don't like? What's good to us? What's not good to us? How we understand, how we see the reality of a particular event or a situation, a scene, a movie, a story. Our belief systems and our perceptions are basically the rules by which we enable the decision making in ourselves to respond and react in our world. Yeah. Now, these belief systems and perceptions, as I said, get shaped with all of these milestones, these events, these challenges that we've gone through in our life. Things that we may have heard, things that we may have seen, things that we may have felt, things that we may have experienced. Some good, some not so good, some exciting, some painful. Now, these belief systems and these perceptions, some of them help us propel forward. So those are those good events. Those are those exciting milestones that we've had in our life. But then there are some that hold us back. Those are the hardships we may have had. Those may be some bad or not so good or unpleasant memories that we've got locked up somewhere in our mind that are governing what we can or what we can't do today. And what happens is when a situation presents ourselves, our mind runs through our beliefs and runs through our perceptions, and then we respond and we react. We either become fearful or we don't. We jump in. We either become curious or we don't. We either become excited or we don't. We feel challenged or we don't. All of those things are driven by how our understanding of that reality goes, and that's driven by what those beliefs and perceptions are for us. Now, if we want a different picture, if we want to change any of those limitations which are actually holding us back, that choice does actually lie with us. It lies with us to design the picture of tomorrow, be the architect of your life so that you can rewrite your story. Now, it's going to require some change. And that's why there is one prerequisite to rewriting your story, irrespective of what stage of your life you are or what aspect of your life you want to rewrite. Do you know what that prerequisite is? You must really, really want it. When I say you must really want it, you must really want it like that relentless pursuit of the 5-year-old who will do anything to get what he or she wants. Do you remember yourself as a 5-year-old? Or if you've got kids of your own today or kids in your family, how many types of tricks have you seen for them to get their way? Tantrums, there's rolling on the floor, there's emotional blackmail, there's crocodile tears, there's bargaining, there's getting a spokesperson with influence to present their case. Some of them are even imaginative stories. Anything that they can pull out of their sleeve to get their way. Like they have no fear. Like nothing holds them back. Like they'll keep going. They'll keep going, irrespective of any fear of being rejected to their request. They'll still keep going. And that's because they haven't had the ups and downs that you and me have gone through. They haven't had any milestones in their life yet. So there's nothing holding them back. When there's nothing holding them back, and now we've got things that are holding us back, why can we not identify them and remove those anchors which are not serving us anymore? Why can't we re-look at our belief systems and our perceptions, challenge them, and replace them with belief systems and perceptions that may serve us better, so that we can keep pushing forward, so that we can keep propelling forward, so that we can really have the life that we love on our own terms? We sure can. I'll be talking a little bit more about belief systems and perceptions tomorrow. And then in the coming days, I'll be sharing a brilliant tool with you that has helped me design the blueprint of my life so that I could rewrite my story. Once I share it with you, you too will be able to rewrite your story, any aspect of it. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and comments on today's video. Also, share any questions that you've got. I'd love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you over the next few days when we cover this brilliant tool on designing your blueprint for your life so that you can rewrite your story. I'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, take care and stay awesome.